Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Are you a crypto enthusiast? If you are, then this video is meant for you. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a cryptocurrency that has already been listed. So there's nothing like when is it going to get listed? There won't be anything like mining for years for you to be able to tell how much you're going to walk away with after the mining period. So it's not like a hocus pocus thing. We already know the value of one token. So it's just a matter of you taking a dive into the mining process. And once you begin to mine it, you'll be able to calculate how much you have at each and every point through the mining process. Because you'll be able to quantify the number of tokens that you have, and then you multiply the number of tokens that you have by the price or the value of each token. So now, what is this token that I'm talking about? That's ATOK. ATOK. So it was actually listed on two major exchanges, that is Pancake and Uniswap. So the price or the value of each token is at 0.00000170 cents. But information has it that it's likely to come to this sometime later. So it's just a matter of you taking a dive, you start mining it, and then you bring in some fellows. So now, how is this mined? You don't need to buy some gadget for you to begin to mine this. All you need to have is a phone. And it's actually designed in that manner that it should be mined on a mobile phone. So if you have a mobile phone, you're good to go. You'll be able to mine ATOK tokens. So now, what I'll do is I will leave the link in the description section, as well as the referral code. For simply using the referral code, and by clicking the link, you will be given or you'll be reimbursed with some tokens. So let's take a dive and do this together. Okay, so let me now show you how we do this on my mobile app. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is to log in every after 24 hours so as to claim the tokens. So every after 24 hours, you'll be actually logging in. Now, there are other means through which you can maximize the tokens that you'll be mining every day, every minute, every second, every hour. There are games to play, and then you can as well get into the affiliate program where you'll be bringing in people who will be using the app, those that you will be mining together with. That's how simple it is to mine this token. Now, let me show you how we do this. I just navigate around with the app so as to introduce you to the features of the app, so that you quickly install it and begin to mine it. After you create an account, you log on. This is what you're gonna say. So every after 24 hours, you need to click here where it reads check in. When you click there, the balance will be added to the main balance there. Okay, then you can click here where it reads a referral program so as to invite the people. Boom. So you simply click here, and then you also copy the referral code. When people happen to use the referral code as well as your link, they are given some welcome bonus for simply using your referral link. You also earn some commissions for bringing in people. Okay, so apart from that mechanism of earning ATOK tokens, there's this other method of playing games. So you simply click the second tab, and you see there's a roller, there's jackpot here. You see what's that. All right, so here all you have to do is you click where it reads spin. So you'll be using the tokens that you've mined so far to gamble with a spin. Yeah. It's either you lose or you win. So you can multiply your coins by using the games here. And then what you need to do is you work on your profile. So you click in the bottom right, and then you edit everything here. You edit everything. For simply doing that, you'll be given some tokens. So that's the way we go about it. That's how we go about this. Hit the link in the description section. Make use of the referral code and start mining ATOK. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw these tokens to Uniswap.